Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing or not working on iPhone. So if you're not receiving any notifications from your WhatsApp, for example, you are not getting message notification or WhatsApp call notification, don't worry. Here's how you can easily fix this error. The first solution is make sure to disable your iPhone silent mode. So if your silent mode is turned on, then you won't get any notification from your WhatsApp. So make sure to disable silent mode and make sure to disable do not disturb mode also. If you're selected any do not disturb mode, just disable do not disturb mode and then check the error. And the next solution is we have to enable notification for WhatsApp. To do that, go to your WhatsApp app, open your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on notification. And here you will find all of your installed apps on your iPhone. Just scroll down and search for WhatsApp. Then tap on WhatsApp and enable allow notification. Once done, here you will find this alert section. If you want to get notifications from WhatsApp in your iPhone lock screen, then check lock screen. If you want to get notification in your notification center, also enable notification center and must enable banners options. Now enable sounds and badges and show previews, tap here and here select always to get your WhatsApp notifications on your lock screen and unlock screen. Once done, now on you should get your WhatsApp notification on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.